Hi everyone, Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet, and today I'll be showing you this all-wheel drive 2017 Mercedes-Benz B 250. This accident-free hatchback is powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 7-speed auto-shift manual transmission, getting you an average of roughly 7 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers. Now looking at the hatch of this car, you have lots of trunk space with a rubberized cargo liner as well as a retractable cargo cover. Moving into the interior, you have your door and window controls. You also have this nice premium leather for your seats. Here is your parking brake and headlights. There's also this beautiful wood liner all around the trim in the front. This is your digital dash controls, as well as your hands-free audio controls. Here is your standard and digital dash. A nice large infotainment unit with 3 large vents along the wood trim. Here you have your heated front seats, automatic dual zone climate control, 2 nice storage compartments, and your infotainment select. Up top you have your sun and moon roof controls, which automatically open front and rear. Now for the rear of the interior, you have the nice premium seats again. These seats are 60-40 split folding, and here's the control for that here. You also have this nice cup holder that flips out, dual cup holders. There's also climate control in the rear, as well as 12-volt power and a small storage. Thank you for watching the walk-around video of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz B 250 all-wheel drive hatchback. If you'd like to see this vehicle or take it for a test drive, come and visit us at Kelowna Chevrolet, and our sales team will happily show you around.